Hello and welcome back to another Jedi FPV video. In today's video we take a trip to burial fields and rip a few packs. So I'm still currently trying to learn how to fly more slowly and controlled. I don't know if you can tell in this video, but I do take time out to, well, obviously not here. We send it up to 400 foot and then do a few spins. But yeah, I really do need to slow down, take it slow and steady. But I just can't seem to do it. I fly better faster. And there's Burial Retirement Village in the background. So on this day there was a lot of dog walkers, and one of them shouted over, "Just send it, lad." So yeah, he was quite enthusiastic about it. You can see him just there in the bottom right of the corner. I'll take a run up and I think I'll fly right over, or not right over his head because that's a bit dangerous, but considering he's now an involved person, I can fly a little bit closer because he's talking to the pilot, I guess. So there's actually another dog walker under the tree to the left that I didn't see until I was editing this, but it wasn't an intentional flyover. So you can just see him there right in the middle, just to the right of it. And if I had a microphone there, you could hear him laughing. He was buzzing about it. He says he wants to get one. Well, it looks like we're out of time. Peace.